Go get him. Get him. Go, Cosmo, go! Run! Go get him! Go get him! Oh, what'd you find? Oh, dig, dig, dig! Oh, dig! Dig, dig, dig!
Is that kind of dog dig?
Can. There's something in there he wants.
Mom.
You know, there's moles, so he might know that there's a mole underneath there. Want to catch him. What are you doing,
Catch
Cosmo?
him and eat him?
Yeah, he's eating something. Eating the grass?
What is it on? Is it on?
Video.
Oh. I swear it's cool.
Cosmo, go!
Cosmo.
Woo! He's pretty interested in something under there. Dig! Get it, Cosmo, get it!
What's this eating?
Get it! What's in there?
I don't know.
Oh, nice doggy. Nice doggy.
Mom, I think he's trying to, he might smell a bone or something.
Maybe the people that lived here before us had a dog and they buried bones. He's getting something. Oh, get it! Get it! Yeah, get it! Look at his face.
Dada! Dada!
Dada! Look, there he goes. Whee! Go, Cosmo! There he goes, right back to that spot. I wonder what's there. That's funny. What is it, Cosmo? You're getting your face all dirty. Ew!
Is he eating dirt? Is he eating dirt?